Get acquainted with the 2021 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Take your daily drive to a higher level of comfort and quality with this well-built, well-equipped Tucson. Standard high-tech touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assistance features, and an upscale feel make this stylish compact crossover stand out from the crowd. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, keyless start, fog lamps, 4-cylinder engine, Bluetooth connection, alarm, power driver seat. Get the quality and safety you deserve when you take the wheel of this Tucson. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.